What's going on, everyone? Today, we're talking intro shots. So guys, one of the most overlooked aspects of any video is the intro shots. Essentially the first 5, 10, or 15 seconds that the viewer sees when watching your video. You can have the greatest video in the world, but if it's not captivating or engaging right at the start, people are gonna have a hard time sticking around. My name is Ben Hess, and today we're taking an inside look at how I captured the intros for the Music Matters campaign. Plus, I'm gonna give you some real world and practical advice on how you can capture some amazing intros for your own videos. Then I reveal the #1 mistake I see so many people make in this area and how to fix it. So all of the videos started with a quick little snippet of something funny that was said during the interviews.
You got me tripping, but never say That's what you get. That's all you get.
I love to dance now. I thought I sucked at dancing, didn't think I could dance, but for some reason I learned how to dance in Mexico.
No, I can't beatbox if that's what you're asking. I'm here to edit videos.
This is perfect because it sets the stage for who we're going to be watching, plus it gives that personal connection right off the bat. So for Maya's video, we started filming at a location called the Color Factory. And if you haven't been to a color factory, well, there are colors everywhere, like the full spectrum, everything you could think of, and so I just captured as much as I could because I knew if I put this at the beginning of the video, it would have this wow factor since people aren't used to seeing all these crazy colors everywhere and stuff. It would grab their attention and make them wonder what's happening. For Rob's video, I thought it would be so cool to see the steam coming from the ground in New York City because that's not something that you see every day. And to top it off, I thought it would be so cool to see Rob actually walk through the steam to reveal himself at the beginning of the video. And fun fact, it took about 20 takes to get him walking straight through the steam and to have everything lined up perfectly, but I knew it would be worth it in the end. And immediately following the shot of him walking through the steam, I showed a shot of a subway moving quickly, and then I revealed his name through the city lights in the background. And then we have To the Nines. So for their video, I started with an epic helicopter shot that we captured while filming. One of the locations was a rooftop, so I thought how cool would it be to have Cassie and Richie with New York City in the background to start off the video. But to take it one step further, I thought it would be so cool to have the camera literally rotate 180 degrees. So it starts with them at the top and then it rotates and has them right side up. I knew that shot would capture people's attention because you just don't see it every day. And then I added a nice close-up of the two of them as they turn towards the camera. All right, so now that we went over how I captured the intro shots for the Music Matters videos, I want to give you some practical tips on how to capture amazing intros for your own videos. Tip #1, think outside the box. You want to add a fresh twist to your content. Whatever you would normally shoot, just do the exact opposite. You know, film upside down, film a new angle, do something that you haven't done before because that's what's going to capture people's attention. Tip #2, start with upbeat music. What your viewers hear is just as important as what they see. So I'd highly recommend finding some upbeat, high energy music to start off your videos. And Epidemic Sound didn't tell me to say this, but it's super convenient on their site to sort through the tempo and the energy so you can find the perfect song to start your videos. Tip #3, leave your viewers hanging. Start your videos with some of the best footage you have, but then you want to cut it right before it gets to the good stuff, or cut it before it reveals everything of what's going on. This will leave people wanting to know what's happening later in your video, sort of like a flashback for a movie. Alright, so the #1 mistake I see so many people making, including myself, is saving your best footage for the end of your video. I always think to myself, I want to save my best footage for the end, so that way it builds anticipation as people watch my videos. But that's the wrong way of thinking. You should be using some of your best footage right at the beginning and right at the start of your videos. You need to give them a reason to stick to the end of the video, because what they saw at the beginning just blew them away. So honestly, you're gonna have to have some amazing content for the end, plus the beginning. All right, everyone, hope you enjoyed this video. So I want you to go out there and make some amazing intros, send them to Epidemic Sound, tag them on Instagram, and drop a comment below letting us know which intro you like the best, Rob's, Maya's, or To the Nines. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask below or send me a message on Instagram at Ben Hess Films. See you guys on the next one.